JAG system is a haul kit for pickoffs. It consists of a double pulley, a double progress capture pulley, an 8mm rope, a flexible cover, and 2 carabiners. The hauling system provides a 4-to-1 mechanical advantage to raise the weight of the victim. The sheaves mounted on ball bearings provide maximum efficiency when hauling. The extremely compact JAG system can be deployed even at a very short distance to the anchor. The system is simple to deploy thanks to the flexible cover that serves to avoid any possible entanglement, and the ability to immediately identify the haul end of the system. The JAG system also provides the option of being integrated into a rescue kit in order to release and lower when evacuating a victim.